Namaste from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. In today's video, we will concentrate on 4 words: minute, mind, moon, miss. Minute, 1 minute, just a minute, per minute, last minute, wait a minute. 60 minutes make 1 hour. The meeting lasted for 30 minutes. Can we talk for a minute, or can you give me a minute? Can I sit down for a minute? Hold on a minute, please. I'll be back in a minute. I will return in 10 minutes. Is Tom there at home? Tom left a few minutes ago. The second word is mind. Peace of mind, state of mind, open mind, bear in mind. Mind your own business. Do you mind if I use your pen? Not at all, I don't mind. Oh, never mind, I found my pen. Thank you. Soldiers, you just took the chocolate from uncle. Mind your manners. Did you say thank you? Thank you, uncle. I'm losing my mind. That means I'm getting angry. Tom is closed-minded, but Tim is open-minded. So what does closed-minded means? Closed-minded means not willing to consider any new ideas or opinions that are not agreeable to the person. So they don't accept any new ideas. Closed-minded people. Open-minded people are open to new ideas and new suggestions. The third word is moon. M-O-O-N, moon. The moon, full moon, new moon, over the moon. Earth has 1 moon. Venus has no moon. Jupiter has 67 moons. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon passes between the sun and the earth, casting a shadow on earth. Neil Armstrong's first words when he stepped on the moon were, "That's one small step for man and one giant leap for mankind." The sun, moon, and stars are all part of the universe. The fourth word is miss, M-I-S-S, miss. Miss out, miss the call, miss the point, miss the appointment. Miss Almeida was my kindergarten teacher. Nina found her missing shoe under the table. If you don't hurry, you will miss the bus. My son is gone for higher studies to London. I miss him very much. I miss my mother's cooking. So that's all for today. Meet you again in my next lesson. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, and take care. Be happy always. Thank you.